Hey, yo, welcome back. This is Ty Ty. Today I'm going to show you 3 tips that changed my mixes. Alright, so starting off with maybe the most common, we got the G bus here for a little bus compression. We want our glue. A lot of times people will tell you slow attack, fast release, which is cool, but I'm gonna take you to another step. So, alright, check this out.
Running around to the chick, fuck it up, bitch, I don't pay for no sick. I kick that bitch out, it was snowing outside. Diamonds are shining like 4th of July. I'm gonna run it up, run it up, run it up.
So it sounds cool, but try this. Fast attack and slow release, or switch it to auto. There's something with this auto release that it'll take it to another level. So check this out.
Running around to the chick, fuck it up, bitch, I don't pay for no sick. I kick that bitch out, it was snowing outside. Diamonds are shining like 4th of July. I'm gonna run it up, run it up, run it up.
See how that just glues it together? And then really pay attention to the side chain filter down here. You want to bring it up to where your 808s and drums aren't triggering your compression, and it'll just allow them to kind of pass through, and then it'll compress everything else, so you're not necessarily getting that pumping effect.
Running around to the chick, fuck it up, bitch, I don't pay for no sick. I kick that bitch out, it was snowing outside. Diamonds are shining like 4th of July. I'm gonna run it up, run it up, run it up. I'm gonna run it up, run it up, run it up. Cutting the top of the cane, know that, chasing that bitch like shit name.
Alright, so then real quick, just back to how it was originally.
Running around to the chick, fuck it up, bitch, I don't pay for no sick. I kick that bitch out, it was snowing outside. Diamonds are shining like 4th of July. I'm gonna run it up.
Boom, there's your glue. You know, a lot of times it can be the littlest tweak that can just, But if you're looking for that glue, fast attack, auto release, it's going to get you right every time. Have that thing smacking about 3 to 4 dB. Definitely no more than that. You could even do 2 to 3, but do it to taste, and you're going to love it. All right, and then the next one here is kind of a two-piece thing. So I used to run 1176 into multi-band compression across the board, but kind of what I've been doing is I got my chain, and then I'm running an LA2A. It really adds a lot of beef and just that nice analog characteristic into some multi-band compression. So let's go ahead and I will shut this off, and let's see what it's like without it.
Running around to the chick, fuck it up, bitch, I don't pay for no sick. I kick that bitch out, it was snowing outside. Diamonds are shining like 4th of July. I'm gonna run it up, run it up, run it up.
Now with your LA2A, I try not to go over 5 to 7 dB of gain reduction. I don't think I'm smacking this one quite as hard because it was just kind of smothering it, in my opinion. But it definitely adds a lot of flavor, a lot of characteristic. So then what I'm doing here with my multi-band is basically, normally I don't do on the low band here, but I had a little bit of low end kind of sticking out. But kind of what I'll focus on is the mids to upper mids. And I notice a lot of times with my voice around 3 to 5K, I get a little bit of overage there, and I just kind of want to tame that down. So I'll just kind of pick certain frequencies here. Let me go ahead and bring up a new one here, and I'm going to set it to default. So check this out.
Running around to the chick, fuck it up, bitch, I don't pay for no sick. I kick that bitch out, it was snowing outside. Diamonds.
So you see where it's just kind of, there's those certain frequencies that are just kind of spiking up a little bit.
Running around to the chick, fuck it up, bitch, I don't pay for no sick. I kick that bitch out, it was snowing outside. Diamonds are shining like 4th of July. I'm gonna run it up.
See the clarity that brings? Let me bypass that back and forth real quick.
Running around to the chick, fuck it up, bitch, I don't pay for no sick. I kick that bitch out, it was snowing outside. Diamonds are shining like 4th of July. I'm gonna run it up, run it up, run it up. I'm gonna run it up, run it up, run it up. Cutting the top of the cane, know that, chasing that bitch like shit name, know that. Pussy so wet, I was sliding, you know that. Been so high,
And I'm definitely hearing a little bit up there. I'm not quite hitting that one quite as hard.
running around to the chick, fuck it up, bitch, I don't pay for no sick. I kick that bitch out, it was snowing outside. Diamonds are shining like 4th of July. I'm gonna run it up.
You really see the clarity that just brings out, like, and it's really that quick, that simple. You know, you could go a little more in depth and really fine tune it with your attack and your release, your knee. You got a little bit of look ahead, some ratio, but I like a 4-to-1 ratio, and then I kind of just leave my knee in the middle, and I never really do anything look ahead. But I love that. And then if you want to thicken it up just a little bit, I run some saturation right after it.
Running around in the chick, fuck it up, bitch, I don't pay for no sick. I kick that bitch out, it was snowing outside. Diamonds are shining like 4th of July. I'ma go run it up, run it up, run it up. I'ma go run it up, run it up, run it up.
That tip right there really took my mixes to just another level with the vocals. That extra bit of beef, that extra bit of clarity, that punch. I love that. And I literally kind of run that method on, I'd say, 95% of my mixes. But all right, we got one more thing here, and this is going to be parallel with a chorus. So let me show you what I did here. Basically, I'm running Studio D. You can run different things. And in case you didn't know this, if you hit spacebar and hit multiple things, you can, click multiple. But, if you're just clicking it, you can't. But hit a space and then click the ones that you want. I'm just going to turn it up so it's a little more pronounced.
Running around in the chick, fuck it up, bitch, I don't pay for no sick. I kick that bitch out, it was snowing outside. Diamonds are shining like 4th of July.
Then say you want to add a little more character to it, go ahead and add some saturation. And I kind of drove it up here just a little bit.
Running around in the chick, fuck it up, bitch, I don't pay for no sick. I kick that bitch out, it was snowing outside. Diamonds are shining like 4th of July.
Then also, if you want to add a little bit more, you could do a little bit of upward compression, a little downward compression.
Running around in the chick, fuck it up, bitch, I don't pay for no sick. I kick that bitch out, it was snowing outside. Diamonds are shining like 4th of July. I'ma go run it up.
All right, so it sounded kind of crazy turned way up like that, so let's go ahead and just feed in just a little bit.
Running around in the chick, fuck it up, bitch, I don't pay for no sick. I kick that bitch out, it was snowing outside. Diamonds are shining like 4th of July. I'ma go run it up.
You hear the difference between the two? Let's go back and forth.
Running around in the chick, fuck it up, bitch, I don't pay for no sick. I kick that bitch out, it was snowing outside. Diamonds are shining like 4th of July. I'ma go run it up, run it up, run it up. I'ma go run it up, run it up, run it up.
There's really just a ton of different things that you can run with synths, but don't feel limited that, I just got a chorus on there, I'm gonna leave it like that. Same with your delays and your reverbs. You can add saturation, you can add EQ. There's tons of different things you can do, and you can just really say, for example, sometimes I want really gritty stuff. I'll just mangle a sound through the send and then just a little bit of percentage, and it adds that character that you want just to kind of bring it over the top. But I love the Studio D chorus. I liked the one from Brigade. There's a bunch of other good ones out there too. I know Sound Toys makes a good one. So it's not like you have to go out and buy these specific plugins. If you got a different type of multi-band compressor, I personally really like the Pro MB just because you have the analyzer and it makes it a little easier just to kind of narrow down, especially with the type of approach that I take for it. But it's helping me, bro, and I'm hoping I'm helping you. So any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comments below, and I'm going to catch y'all next week. Peace.